All right, here we come to the elevator at the Association of Former Students building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at that A&M sign on the elevator door. Well, I know what you're thinking. Do not let this call button fool you. Just look what you'll see on the inside. Let's ride, here we go. Oh, then ring. Look at this beautiful cab. Look at these fixtures. Look at this. This is interesting. I've never seen these fixtures before. It's got a G. Look at this. This is interesting. I've never seen a Dover traditional with these kind of fixtures before. Let's go 2. Unfortunately, the fan is very loud. Sorry you can't hear the motor that well. Here we are at 2. I'm gonna go outside and ring the bell. You stay here. Love that chime. All right, we'll go on to G one more time, just for the interesting look at these fixtures. This is so cool. I've never seen a Dover traditional with these fixtures. Look at this. This is so interesting. You got your, I don't think there's a phone in there, but there's your cab view of this very high ceiling. This is a nice elevator. All right, we'll end the video up at the first floor. This time we'll watch the button go out. This is so cool. I've never seen a Dover with these kind of fixtures before. Here we're at 1. Let's see if the bell works. The up works, but the down doesn't. All right, there it goes, and that's it. Thank you.